A very good morning, dear children. Children, today's English work you will do in your notebooks. So take out your notebooks and your pencil, eraser, blue marker pencil and your ruler. If you have taken out all the things, let's start today's work. In this corner, you will write down today's date and then you will write down today's heading. And today's heading is PICTURES pictures, OF of, BEGINNING beginning, SOUND sound, BLEND blend, words. So the heading is picture of beginning sound blend words. Okay? And after writing this heading, you will underline it with blue marker pencil with the help of a ruler. Fine? And from next row, you will write here inside the margin line 1 and dot. Then beside the margin line, you will write GL, GLA. You will write beginning sound blend GLA and you will underline it also. And after this, you will put an arrow. So, which picture we are going to make for GLA? We'll draw a glass. For drawing a glass, just draw an oval shape, then two slanting lines and one sleeping line. Okay? Fine? I'm drawing some water here inside this glass. Now write the spelling of glass. So, I will put an arrow here like this. And I will write the spelling of glass. GLASS, glass. Okay? Now, our next sound blend is TR, tra. TR, tra. So, children, with tra, I am going to draw a tree here. Okay? Now, we can write the spelling of tree. TREE, tree. Children, you can color these pictures afterward. Now, our third sound is pla. PL, pla. So, with pla, we will draw a plug here. Make a U, a small U, a string like this. For making wire, now oval shape and three small lines. Now put an arrow. Write the spelling of plug. PLUG, plug. Okay? See this? It's a plug. Our fourth beginning sound blend is cha. So, with cha, we will draw cherry here. I am drawing 3 cherries. Okay? Like this. Write the spelling of cherry. CHERRY, cherry. Okay? Now, with TH, tha, I am going to draw thorns here. For showing thorns, firstly we will draw a cactus plant. Draw a pot here. Then I will draw a cactus plant like this, this, and in cactus you can see there are so many thorns. These are thorns, means kaate. It's a cactus plant and we always see so many thorns in the cactus plant. So, write the spelling of thorns. THORNS, thorns. Okay? Now write 6. Our sixth sound is FL, fla. Fla is a beginning sound blend word. Okay, so we will draw a flag here. So you have learned to draw our national flag, so draw it like this. You can draw this very easily. You can color it later. Write the spelling of flag. F L A G, flag. Now our next beginning sound blend word is shoe. Okay, so we will draw a shoe here. Draw a shape like this, and 3 lines and loops. Okay, like this. Fine. Put an arrow. Write S H O E, shoe. So children, we have drawn few pictures. Now what will we do? We will color the pictures. Okay. Firstly, I am going to color the water with blue here in the glass. That is enough. Okay. Now I am going to color the picture of this tree. Coloring the trunk of this tree with brown and the crown with green. Okay children, I have colored this tree. Just leave this plug like this. No need to color it. Now I am going to color the cherries with red. Children, you should color with crayons only. Don't use sketch pens. Now I will color the cactus plant with green like this. It has so many thorns. Now it's a national flag. So firstly I am going to color this pole and this platform. And now I will color the first part with saffron, then the other part with green, and the center part I will leave it, and I will color this chakra with blue like this. Okay. Now if you want to color this shoe with yellow, you can do that like this, like this, like this. Okay, it's up to you. Whatever color you want to choose for coloring this shoe, you can. So you should color the pictures like this. Children, do this exercise in your notebook very neatly. Draw all the pictures on your own and learn all the spellings also. Thank you. Bye-bye.